kyawa kitiibwa Rebecca alitwala Kadaga n'antasangika.
So there is no way you can put the blame on Right Honorable Rebecca Kadaga. I also want to add that when you say that Right Honorable Kadaga runs away from tough stuff, colleagues out there, what do you define tough stuff? I want to indicate in the 9th Parliament, the toughest stuff we handled was the anti-homosexuality bill. She presided over it. It was a national concern. It was an international concern, and maybe a heavenly concern.
Olwa Buganda yafe ekitiibwa kya Buganda kyava dda naffe tukikuume.